So this is the iRay Clip CH50. As the name suggests, this will attach to the front of a rifle scope. We've imported these to facilitate that. These are a super high quality clip-on. They're made by a company called Smart Clip, and they're primarily an optics manufacturer. So it's all to super high standards, and we wanted that for the repeatability of swapping them between scopes. So we'll go through the clip, and then we'll go through how it fits the scopes. This is the Clip CH50. It's 640, 12 micron with a 50mm front lens. You've got familiar controls on the top, so your focus adjustments at the front. And you've got your 3 buttons for accessing the menus and what have you. You also have, because your rifle scope is now looking at a display, you've got eye relief adjustment here, and obviously the locking ring, etc. on the back. This, similar to the Syme series, uses CR123 batteries, and you can use the battery compartment extender, so you can use the 16650 batteries to greatly extend the runtime. What we'll do is we'll just go through the setup on it. Interestingly, with the iRay CH50, included with the unit is an eyepiece, so you can use this as a thermal monocular as well, so as you can spot, and all you do is simply unscrew the attachment point for the scope, replace it with the eyepiece, and you've got yourself a kick-ass top of the range thermal spotter as well. So to fit the CH50 to your scope, we're going to remove the cap, screw on the Smart Clip. These come in sizes, they're in 0.5mm steps, so you can really get a great fit. And as you can see, you've got that nice lined inside of the Smart Clip, so it's not going to damage your very expensive rifle scope. What I'm going to do, just for aesthetics sake, is we'll put this at the top like so, lock it off, and you can see that's nice and solid. If we open the Smart Clip, it goes onto the front of your rifle scope, lock it off, and then you can add 3 foot, including sunshade of optic and thermal attachment to the front of your rifle. And that's then effectively turned your day scope into a night scope, your day rifle into a night rifle. Okay, so once we've got the scope in front of the clip-on attached to the scope, what we need to do is ensure that we're going to have a consistent point of impact with point of aim. What we do is, through the menu system on the CH50, we align the picture with the crosshair of your rifle scope. That way you've zeroed your clip-on attachment with your rifle scope, and you've got a ready check to make sure that you're going to be hitting where you're aiming.
That looks as if it might unbalance the rifle a little bit there, Ryan. So how has it been feeling?
The clip actually feels surprisingly well. If you don't want to use your sunshade, which, let's be honest, that's adding quite a lot of length, you don't have to. You just swap it over, and it's that simple to change it. You know, yes, it adds weight to the front of it. It can't not, because it's hanging off in the front. The reality is, when we're hunting, if our scope's here, this is going to be in the middle of the support, and actually it doesn't feel difficult. The price on this is coming in at £3,779, plus the clip is an extra £150, which for the quality of the clip and the repeatability of it is worth every penny.